Hello, welcome to the Beckau Lounge. I'm Dalit Breen, and today I'm joined by my colleague Adekunle Adebisi, who's the Director, MTN Key Account and Professional Services for Africa and Asia Pac. In addition, he's also our Value Leader for Africa and Asia Pac. So Kunle, you and I, we've been working together very closely for a long time now, and literally every day we're meeting with operators who are wanting to roll out their 5G networks as quickly as they can and prepare earlier generation networks for 5Gs. Now, at the same time, they're all very pressed for CapEx and OpEx, and naturally the conversation very quickly focuses on the price. But it's not just about the price tag, is it?
No, it's not. And what we see in the industry is that a lot of the operators, they want to make sure that they cut down the price, yes, but they also want to make sure that the overall total cost of ownership across all of the various elements of the network lifecycle. So what we do is to look at what the operators are looking at, and we look at from the beginning, which is the design part of it. So when we're designing the systems, we're looking at how these are going to play out across the life cycle. So we start from the design part, and then we move on to the deployment areas, and then we focus, and then in the end, you look at how the operations and maintenance is also going to be run.
So I'm hearing from you footprint, which means tower load, size of the equipment on the tower. It probably then feeds into tower rent if they don't own the towers. I'm hearing operational costs such as power consumption, installation and labor time and costs. I'm hearing upgradability and quality of our products or any solution that is then implemented. So can you tell us how we as Ceragon can actually help? What do we have to offer that helps our customers, the operators, to reduce the total cost of ownership throughout all those stages that you've just talked about?
Yeah, so what we, and I'll talk about a little bit of the features that we have that really truly help the operators. So from the beginning, I talked about the design part. So it means that we have, first of all, we have really super high, ultra high power radios, right? Which means you shoot up to 30 plus dBs in terms of power. What that means is when we're designing with such radios, the design allows us to use smaller antennas from the beginning.
Okay, and that will reduce space on the tower and tower rent. Okay.
Absolutely. And then on top of that, you are also able to use more advanced features like the advanced space diversity, which allows you to use 3 antennas instead of 4.
So that's a 25 CapEx and OpEx reduction.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then the key thing is when you save on the CapEx, you automatically save on the OpEx over the entire life of the phone.
Right, it then has a knock-on effect. Okay. Yeah. We're also talking in certain areas wideband channels, which again will help save spectrum costs. Well, depending on the locals' spectrum regime, we can also save boxes, etc., etc. You did talk about MTBF quality, which also kind of lets me think about the after-sales support and maintenance that we can offer. So I'm thinking, for example, Ceramonitor, Insight. How can those help reduce TCO?
Absolutely. So on the first part, when we talk about the wider channels, this is extremely important, especially when you talk about 5G rollout, right? What happens is that when we're deploying and the wider channels available in the country, so we're able to put in the radios out there, and then from an upgrade part, all they need to do is to click and upgrade it as is required as the 5G demand starts to grow.
No more truck rolls. No more equipment.
Saving on truck rolls in terms of going to the field, that's saving on the cost of physical installation at the time, and so many things. And the flexibility of being able to do it when you need it, that's really very, very important. And then we talk about also, that's on the upgrade side. And then when you move further on to the operations and maintenance, with likes of Ceramonitor, it's a multi-vendor operations and maintenance tool. So what we do is, before now, a lot of operators are looking at how to maintain their networks, and they're looking in silos, or one operation maintenance tool for one product. What we have is a multi-vendor tool that allows you to do predictive preventive maintenance which is super important. You don't want to fix the problems when they're broken. You want to fix them before they're broken.
Right, because then you can plan ahead, budget planning, and reduce costs as well. So really what we're saying is that there are so many ways in which we can help reduce TCO, and while price is always important, we do need to widen our vision. So Kunle, thank you so much for the insight that you've given us. It's a very fascinating and very relevant topic. This is Dalit from the Backhaul Lounge. Till next time.